Hey, wait! Did Kendall Jenner's Met Gala invitation say that the theme was "Wear Almost Nothing"? Because it seems like that's the memo she got. Kendall looks great, but she's hardly the only celebrity that made a statement at the big event. Check out Blake Lively and husband Ryan Reynolds, who set a standard for excellence. But whoa! Jennifer Lopez and Alex Rodriguez attended the event, making their first red carpet appearance as a couple. That wasn't the only home run of the night. A pregnant Serena Williams and Alexis Ohanian also showed up together. Kim Kardashian didn't have her husband on her side, but that didn't take anything away from her. And Gigi Hadid looks all sorts of splendid with her modelesque look. Wait a second, is Madonna drinking out of a canteen here? There's no denying it. The 2017 Met Gala is a stylish and out-of-control event. From famous and wealthy to the latest belfie, come subscribe and like us to get the best celebrity news in the game.